guys, so today I'll be trying to make a gummy jelly slime using gelatin, and gelatin is basically the stuff in Jello. But yeah, I've been seeing a lot of jelly slimes with instant snow, and I wanted to see what would happen if I added gelatin to slime to see if it would make maybe like a jelly or gummy slime. So of course I have the gelatin packets. These are just plain gelatin, unflavored, no sugar. And then I'm gonna be using this slime right here. This is a really pretty clearish, iridescent, pinky slime. It's really pretty. It's like a fairy kind of look, and I really like the shimmers in this slime. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be opening up some of this gelatin, and I'm also boiling some hot water for the gelatin. Alright, so I actually have my water boiler here, so I'm just going to pour some really hot water in there. Alrighty, so before this cools down, I'm going to combine everything into this glass. So I have my slime, and this container is for slime, so that's probably why it's kind of dirty. But yeah, I'm just going to throw that in there, and I'm going to pour this in. So that gelatin mixture actually combined quite nicely with the slime. I'm kind of surprised. Just after mixing a little bit, it kind of made like a really, it like mixed in really well. So we'll have to see how this settles. I think the slime obviously is a bit melted from the hot water, so we'll have to see what happens once it is cooled down. So actually, I think it totally worked because it feels and looks a lot like jelly slime with instant snow in it. So I think this works really well, and it's so easy. I think it's easier than adding instant snow because all you have to do is just melt the gelatin and add it to any slime that you already have. So I think I might go ahead and color this. Alrighty, so I really am obsessed with this jelly slime that I made today, and it was so easy. I'm really happy it worked out, so yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.